Chosen ones, where you are. Chosen ones, back with another powerful and productive video, right? Great. 4 ways to make she miss you deeply to the core after leaving you. Yes, 4 ways to do that. And point number 3 and 4 are bangers. Yes, they are powerful points that you cannot joke with it because they are life-changing points. For this reason, you got to keep on watching the entire video to get all the 4 points correctly. All right? And apply them in your life. And I tell you, they are going to miss you so much to the core. And they will realize that, in fact, they've missed a lot. All right, great. So that's it, chosen one. Let's hit straight to the point. Point number 1 is to, not block them. Don't block them. Yes, don't delete their contacts. Yeah, I'm saying that because that will really help. You see, when someone is existing, and you're watching the person, you're letting the person see you, you're seeing the person, all right? But you ignore their existence. That is the most painful aspect of life. And that will make them miss you because you have their contact. You don't block them. Let them see whatever they want to see. Let them see that with them or without them, you can live. Let them see and come to a realization that their love makes you strong. Their hate, they betraying you, leaving in you, pulling away from you, not being with you anymore, rejecting you, makes you stronger. And you are going to, keep living your life, being yourself, your true and authentic self, no matter what. Let them know that you understand that anything you are not born with can leave you at any point in time, including them. So if they leave you, it's not a news. It's a good thing. All right? And keep on moving forward. All right? So for me, I will advise, don't delete their number. Don't block them. But it depends on the individual because some people are emotionally weak and some people are emotionally strong. So as a person, you need to know yourself, know thyself. Okay? So let wisdom guide you. If you know that you need to heal, and for the sake of your healing, you need to block them because you seeing them is not gonna haste your healing or help you heal. All right? Then you can go on no contact with them, delete their number or block them. This point I'm sharing would differ from person to person, but for me, I wouldn't love to block them or delete them. I will let them see everything of mine, knowing that I'm doing great in life and life is good. I'm feeling good, la 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 la. I feel good, la 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 la. Yeah, I'm feeling good. With or without them, I'm feeling good. Yes, because I have God fighting for me. I have the Holy Spirit on my side. Yeah, and I have the Son for me as well. All right, so who can be against me? My spiritual team are with me. Yeah, my mom is there. My dad is there. Whether they are alive or dead, they are still with me. All right, my ancestors are with me. They surround me and protect me. So, I worry not, I fear not, knowing that those that are fighting for me are more than those that are against me. For that matter, I will not block them. I will not delete them. Yes. So this will lead us to point number 2. Point number 2 is to, you can read their messages and don't reply. Okay? Read their messages, don't reply. And even when you realize that they keep sending you messages, you keep reading, you don't reply, and you feel like, okay, why not reply a little bit, okay? This is what you can do. You can decide to reply, but with, short, sentences. You don't open up, all right? You don't open up. You just short replies, all right? And you are cool to move. But in this also, let wisdom guide you. It depends from person to person. Some people, you know that you still love this person, and if the person is messaging you and you're not replying, you'll be hurting your own self. If you know yourself and you know that you can't live without this person, don't be stubborn. All right, don't try to be playing games with them. Okay, what you got to do is you got to be your true and authentic self. But remember, sometimes in life too, you need to be strong to let people know that, yeah, you ain't a fool like that, you ain't stupid like that. All right, and that is why you need to be strong, because chosen ones, sometimes in life, if you are not strong, people will be trying to walk over you, to just keep on manipulating you, to keep on taking so much from you and adding nothing to your life. All right, so you need to stand strong. Okay, if you are acting as a victim, as somebody who is weak, the world do not care. They don't care about you. That is why you need to stand your ground. You need to be strong, know what you want, know what you're doing. So in whatever case, let wisdom guide you. Okay, let wisdom guide you. Know yourself, know what you want, and if you can't live without replying their messages, don't harden your heart. Be you. Okay, be you and do you, and that is going to help. Okay, all right, so that is what you got to do, because if you are truly in love with this person and the person is messaging you and you are not replying, okay, it will get to a time the person is not gonna reply, text you anything again, and then you will be reading such messages and you are going to be hurting yourself. So know yourself and know how far you can go with it. All right, know what you're doing. Okay, the conclusion is know what you are doing and what you are about. Okay, if you're making them miss you, okay, you should know what you are doing. All right, know what you're really doing. That is the key. Okay, so that you don't put the blame on anybody. You are responsible for your life. All right, great. The third point that I will talk of is, don't quickly enter into any new relationship or start posting the opposite gender to prove that, oh yeah, you've moved on, you are okay without them. No, don't fake anything. This point is a banger. All right, you need to take note of this point. Okay, don't enter into any new relationship. If you try to enter into any new relationship immediately, the person will take advantage over you, over your emotions, because you are weak at that point in time. You're not of your true self. Before you realize you are of your true self, then boom, the person has taken so much from you and add nothing to your life, and that will lead to another painful, hurtful moment. All right, so take your time. Okay, some people, because they have multiple partners as they are with this person, they easily keep showing up the other person. That means you are a very dishonest person in the first place. All right, because after a breakup, you need to really take your time to heal. All right, to heal. Yes. So that's what you got to do. Okay, as a chosen one, don't enter into new relationship. Don't try to be posting the opposite gender, to try to be faking something. Or I believe you get what I'm trying to put across. All right, so do that. It's really, really going to help you as a person, and focus on you becoming a better version of yourself. So that will lead us to the fourth point. The fourth point is, you got to be in the known that revenge, okay, revenge, success is the best revenge. All right, if you want to revenge someone, okay, your past person, your ex or whoever, he, she, all right, remember, success is the best revenge. Yes, don't go and be doing something negative, be acting needy, desperate, and acting as if you have the scarcity mindset, have the abundance mindset, the growth mindset. All right, knowing that sometimes in life, old structures needs to be removed for new ones to replace. All right, and abundance is your birthright. And when one door closes, then more new doors open. Okay, great, new opportunities open as well. Okay, great. Now take your time, put in the work. All right, if this ex of yours has choose somebody over you, maybe the person has money more than you, Try and strive hard to also level up, to add value to your life. Okay? If the person is fit than you or something, I'm not saying you should go in competition, but let it challenge you. Okay? Let the heartbreak, the anger in you. You see, everything is energy. So when you are being hurt, try and turn that hurt into your advantage, because energy cannot be created nor destroyed, but can be transferred, transformed into one form, all right, or to another. Okay, so the pain, the hurt, transmute it. Let it make you build your strength and muscle. Okay, let it make you work hard. Let it provoke you to help push you into your greatness. All right, let it drive you. Let it be a catalyst. Let it be a fuel, a motivation for your growth, for your upliftment, for your advancement, for your betterment in life. All right, that is how you make them, miss you. Okay, that is how you make them feel the pain for leaving you, for pulling away from you. That is how you make them. Okay, by becoming your true and authentic self, a better version of yourself. Don't let them see you and be glad that they've left you. Let them see you and feel the pain. Let us see you and miss leaving you. All right, by becoming the person God wants you to be. All right, so in this case, you need to work on your relationship with God. You need to work on yourself, knowing that you are a work of art in progress. Okay, and day in, day out, you need to be working on yourself to become a better version of yourself, your true and authentic self. And I tell you, you will never ever be ungrateful for this. You'll be grateful for, seeking for adding value to your life, doing things that are purposeful. You'll be grateful for it. You'll be grateful for letting success do the talking for you. All right, letting success do the justice for you. All right, so that is it. That is it. So make them miss you by doing these 4 things. But remember, the number 3 and 4 are bangers. I'm telling you. Okay, if you put them into action and you really let the pain make you level up, that is the best thing. Yes, because most of us, without the hurt, without the rejection, will still be living in our comfort zone. But because you hurt, transmute it, change it into something, change it into becoming something great. All right, that's it. When that happens, you will not be complaining about the opposite gender. You even want people to keep hurting you the more, because you're going to be, taking advantage over whatever that comes your way. All right, and it is an opportunity. It is a blessing in disguise. Later, you will sit and realize that, it is a good thing that person left you. It is a good thing that person break up with you, left your life. You will see that it is for your protection. It is for your salvation. It is to save you. It is to preserve you. It is to help you improve, level up in life big time. All right, that's it. So stop living in self-pity and keep crying over the opposite gender that left you. Use the pain, transmute the pain into something, into becoming a good person, into becoming a better version of yourself. All right, that's what you got to do as a chosen one. Okay, see you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. I'm out for now. Peace.